is crisscross method. The first trick what we are going to do today is crisscross multiplication. So what is crisscross multiplication? Crisscross can be done with a 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, any number of digit. In this video, we are going to learn the crisscross method of multiplication for 2-digit number, and using crisscross how you can multiply or you can find the square of any 2-digit number starting from 11 to 99. So let us take two numbers. For example, I want to square 54 square I want to find out. So 54 square means what? 54 square will be equal to, what is the easy method of finding 55 square? The school method, the normal method, what we do, 54 multiplied by 54 and we will find out the answer. So you can do it like this. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, then 5 into 4 20, 20 into 2 40, you can put it in the middle here and just add 6, then 1, 9 and 2. So 54 square will be 2916. So if you practice it, you can use it this method and you can find the answer within 5 to 6 seconds within very short period of time, and that will be very helpful for you for your competitive exams. Okay, for example, let us take another number. For example, I want 72 square. You want to find out 72 square. So the same method we can apply here also. What is 72 square? 7 square 49, 2 square 04. Remember, whenever you have a single digit number, always write it as a 2-digit number. For example, I have written 2 square. 2 square is 4, but I have to write it as 04. So always write a single digit, we will not write, we will write it as a 2-digit number. So 2 square 04, 7 square 49. Then what is the next step? You have to just multiply 7 into 2 into 2, 7 2 14, 14 into 2 28. So just add 4, 8, 11, 1 and 5. 5184 will be the answer for this, 5184. So this way you can find out the square of any number starting from 11 to 99. Let us go with 11 and 99 now. 11 square, 11 square is 121, but what is the method? 11 square. So 1 square is 01, again this 1 square is 01, 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 2. So that 2 will be coming here. So this will become 1, 2, 1. Now I want to find out the square of 99. So same method you can use here also. 99. 99 square will be equal to what? 9 square 81. This 9 square again 81. 9 into 9 81. 81 into 2 162. 162. So when I add, it will become 1, 10, 7 plus 1 8 and 9. 9801 will be the answer for 99 square. So this method can be used for finding out the square of any number between 11 to 99, any 2-digit number. And what is the decimal application of this method? So suppose you want to find out 0.54 square. This type of questions normally asked in your competitive exams. 0.54 square. So remove that decimal part, find out 54 square and put the decimal. How? 0.54 square can be written as what actually? See, .54 square is actually 0.54 into 0.54. But we have already seen 54 square. What is 54 square? 2916. So 54 square is 2916. Now how many decimals are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4, you can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer will be 0.2916. So the same method can be used for decimal applications also. For example, I want to find out the square of 4.3. Find out the square of 4.3 square I want to find out. So what I want to do is 43 square I will find out. What is 43 square? 4 square 16. 3 square 09, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24. So what will be the answer? 9481, 1849. Now I want actually 4.3 square. So 4.3 means 4.3 into 4.3. 4.3 square equal to 4.3 into 4.3. How many decimal parts? 1 and 2. So 2 you have to take from here. 1, 2. So your answer will be 18.49. So the same method can be applied in decimal questions also. So this was the first trick. What is the first trick? Crisscross method of multiplication for 2-digit and its decimal application. Okay, hope you understood it. So trick number 2. Here I have taken squaring numbers only. That is 54 square, 54 multiplied by 54 only. 43 square, 43 multiplied by 43 only. 99 square, 99 multiplied by 99 only. So you are multiplying the same number with itself. I mean number with itself. So that is square actually. But what if I give you two different numbers? I am not finding out the square. I am just multiplying two different numbers. Then how we can go with that? That is our trick number 2. So what is the multiplication? For example, let us take 42 multiplied by 23. So here we are not finding out the square, we are finding out multiplication of two different numbers, the product of two different numbers. So here what is the method used? The simple method is, here you will have to remember 3 steps. The first step is like this. You have two digit numbers, two 2-digit numbers. The first step is you have to multiply these two numbers and put the answer. The second step is you have to just cross these two and add it. And the third step is 2-digit numbers are given to you. You have to find out the multiplication of these two numbers. So you have to remember these 3 steps. If you remember these 3 steps, then it is easy for you to find out the answer quickly. So let us take these steps into this multiplication. So what is the first step? These two numbers you have to multiply. What are the two numbers? 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. That's it. Now what is the next step? You have to cross multiply and add. Cross and add. So cross it. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 2, 4. 12 plus 4, 16. 16, you can take only 6 here, balance 1. What is the third step? These two numbers you have to multiply. So 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So you got the answer 966. So these 3 steps if you remember, then it is easy for you to find out the multiplication, the product of any 2-digit numbers. For example, let us take 23 multiplied by 72. So same method. Now I am removing these steps from here because we have this in our mind. We have to remember this in your mind. The 3 steps we remember. So what was the first step? These two we have to multiply. 3 2s are 6. Now what is the next step? Cross and add. 2 2s are 4. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25, balance 2. Last step, these two. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So you got the answer 1656. Let us take another example. 32 multiplied by 64. So what is the first step? These two numbers. 2 4s are 8. Second step, cross and add. 3 4s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 12, 24. Balance 2. Again add this, multiply these two. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So you got the answer 2048. So this is the method of multiplication of any 2-digit number starting from 11 to 99. So we have seen trick number 1, squaring any 2-digit number. Trick number 2, that is multiplication, the finding out the product of any 2-digit number. Okay, let us go to the next trick, that is squaring any number ending with 5. How to square any number that end with 5? For example, ending with 5, we have what? 5 is a number, 5 square is 25, everybody knows. So let us start with the 15. 15 square, then 25 square, 35 square, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 105, like this goes. So you want to find out the square of these numbers, the numbers that end with 5. So let us take 15 square, that will be equal to 225. 25 square is 625. This everybody knows. 5 square is 25. Okay. So now we want 35 square. Here you can see everything end with the 5, 25, 25, 25 only. So here also this will be ending with the 25. This also will be ending with the 25. This also will be ending with the 25. This also will be ending with the 25. Everything end with the 25. If the number end with the 5, then its square will be ending with the 25. That is confirmed. Now what is the number before this 25? Here you can see what is the number here? 1. So 1 multiplied by its next number 2. 1 into 2, you got 2. 2 into 3, 2 into 3, you got 6. So 3 into 4, you got 12. 4 into 5, you got 20. 5 into 6, you got 30. 6 into 7, you got 42. 7 into 8, 56. Likewise, you can find out the square of any number ending with 5. So what we have to do is, suppose I want to find out the square of 95. 95 square, the 95 square, last two digit will be 25, and you remove that 5. What is left out? 9. 9 multiplied by its next number. What is the next number of 9? 10. So 10 and 9 you have to multiply and write the answer. 10 multiplied by 9. 10 multiplied by 9 you will get 90. So that is the answer. For example, I want to find out the square of 115 square. So 115 square, 5 square is 25. Now remove that 5. What is left out now? 11. 11 multiplied by 12. What is the answer? 132. So 13225 will be the square of 115. And this can be applied with the decimal expansions also. If decimal number is given, for example, if I am giving you, instead of 35 square, I want 3.5 square. So accordingly, you can put the decimal from the right side. Instead of 115, I want 1.15 square. If I want 1.15 square, find out the square of 115, and then from the left side, from the right side, you can put the decimal part accordingly, isn't it? So this is the method of finding out the square of any number ending with 5. So this was our trick number 3. I hope you understood all these tricks. Then let us go to the next trick, very important trick. Trick number 4, that is decimal conversions into fraction. How to convert a decimal number into a fraction. Okay, for example, I want to convert 0.47 bar into fraction. 0.47 bar into fraction. The school method what we have learned is, we will first take this as x, then we will multiply it by 100, and likewise we will find out, and it will, you will get the correct answer, but it is time consuming. So what is the shortcut method of finding out this, the equivalent fraction of this decimal part? You need not to do anything, you just write this number. See, bar is given on 4 and 7. So write 47 divided by how many digits you have bar on, which you have bar on 2 digits. So 2 digits means bottom you have to write 9 and 9, 99. So 99 will be the answer. That's it. 47 divided by 99. For example, I want to find out the equivalent fraction of 0.12 bar. 0.12 bar. If I want to calculate the fraction of 0.12 bar, I just have to put 12 here and put 99 here. That's it. So, but here you can see the bar is for both the numbers. Bar is for both the numbers. Suppose bar is not there for all digits, some of the digits is without bar and some of the digits is with the bar. For example, let us take 0.742 bar. Now here you can see the bar is given only for 4 and 2, not for 7. In that case, what you have to write is 4 and 2, 742, write 742 full. From that 742, which is the number which does not have a bar? Which is the number which does not have a bar? Here 7 does not have a bar. So subtract that 7. Divided by how many digits have bar here? 2 digit. So put 99 and put a 0. 0 means 1 digit is there without bar. So for that we will replace 0. So what will be the answer here? Answer is 742 minus 7 will be 742 minus 7 will become 735 by 990. So this will be the equivalent fraction of this decimal. Okay, let us go with more examples. If you have bar on all the numbers, for example, 0.431 bar. Bar is for all 3 numbers. Just to put 431 divided by 3 digits, so 999, 3 nines. If you have bar on 1 bar, so your bar is on both the numbers, so you just put 41 by 2 digits, so it is 2 nines, 99. If you have 0.7124 bar, The bar is on all four numbers. So you just put 7, 1, 2, 4 and 9, 9, 9, 9, 4 nines. This is the easy method of finding out the fraction part. Now the question comes, if the bar is not on all the digits, then what is the method? So that is what we have already learned, we have already seen. So for example, we have 0.621 bar. Now here the bar is only on 2 and 1, not on 6. So in that case, what we will do, we will take this 621 here minus the number which does not have a bar. The number which does not have a bar, that is 6. Put 6 here. Divided by 2 digits have bar, so 2 nines, and the 1 digit which does not have bar, for that we will put a 0. So 990. So 621 minus 6 will become 615 by 990. This is the answer for this decimal expression. This decimal expression can be converted into this fraction. Once again, one more example, 0.731 bar. So I am giving bar only for 3 and 1. So what will be the answer? So you will get 731 minus this 7 divided by how many digits have bar? 2 digits. So 99, and for this one put a 0. So this answer will be 731 minus 7, 724 divided by 990. You can note it. So this is the easy method. Here we have completed 4 very important tricks for your competitive exams. Now let us go to the last trick. Before that, we complete all these things. Okay, so let us go to the last trick for this video, that is squaring any number near to 100. Square any number near to 100. So when we talk about numbers near to 100, let us take a number near to 100 is from 90 to 100, then up to 110. These are the numbers near to 100. From 90, 91, 92, 93 up to 99, 100. Then from 101, 102 up to 110. These are the numbers very near to 100. Out of this, we will take any number and we will square it. For example, I am taking a number here. Let this number be 94. So I want 94 square. So we have already learned one method of finding out the square of 2-digit number. What was the method? The method is 9 square is 81, 4 square is 16, 9 into 4. 9 fours are 36. 36 into 2, 72. You can put that 72 here. So you got the answer 6388. So this is the answer you got. But this method is good only. Other than this method, all numbers near to 100, we have a different method. What is the different method? For example, 94 square can be written as 94 into 94. Put a line here, and we are finding out the square of numbers near to 100. So 94 is deviated from 100 by minus 6. This 94 is also deviated by 100 by minus 6. 6 6 are 36, and 94 minus 6, cross subtraction. 94 minus 6 will become 88. So this way also you can find out the answer. Okay, so this trick once again we will do. We want to find out the square of, for example, 98 square. So what we will do? 98 multiplied by 98. 98 is deviated from 100 by 2. 98 is deviated from 100 by 2. 2 2s are 0, 4. 98 minus 2, cross subtraction. 98 minus 2 is 96. So your answer is 98 square will be equal to 9604. This is the easy method of finding out the square of any number near to 100. For example, let us take a number more than 100. I want to find out the square of 104 square. So what we will do? 104 into 104. Again put the line. 104 is deviated from 100 by plus 4. 104 is deviated by 100 from plus 4. 4 4s are 16. Then 104 plus 4. Cross addition. Here we have done cross subtraction. Here we will do cross addition. So 104 plus 4, 108. So the answer will be 10816. So the point what you have to remember here is, whenever you have numbers less than 100, you have to do cross subtraction, and whenever we have numbers more than 100, we have to do cross addition. Here it is plus 4, so cross addition. Here it is minus 2, so cross subtraction. Understood? So these are the very important tricks used for scoring good mark in all your competitive exams. If you practice these tricks, I'm sure you will be able to save a lot of time.